Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company WEX Inc. They're looking for a digital administrative assistant. It pays up to $24 per hour. WEX is an innovative payments and technology company looking to forge the way in a rapidly changing environment, with a goal to simplify the business of doing business for our customers, freeing them to spend more time with less worry on the things they love. We are on a journey to build a consistent world-class user experience across our products and services and leverage customer-driven innovation across all of our strategic initiatives. The digital team within WEX is a highly innovative, fast-paced team who is obsessively focused on our customers, insights, and innovation. This team leads many cross-functional efforts to drive change and deliver results across WEX. The administrative assistant will be an integral part of the growing digital and product team, supporting both C-suite and senior leadership. This role will report to the Chief Digital Officer's executive assistant. What you'll do: organize meetings for Chief Digital Officer and digital leadership team, including scheduling, sending reminders, coordinating meeting rooms, and organizing catering when needed on site. Work with Chief Digital Officer's executive admin, project leader to gather data and prepare large and small scale presentations, including digital town hall, key leadership, and team meetings. Prepare meeting agendas, take meeting notes, and send out relevant follow-ups. Proactively manage complex global calendars for digital leadership team members. Schedule domestic and international travel arrangements for digital leadership team members. Assist with event planning and execution, including securing meeting space, event venues, restaurants, etc. Process expense reports and reimbursements for digital leadership team members. Provide cross-coverage and backup support to other administrative executive assistants. Must-haves: minimum 2 years of administrative experience in a complex, global professional environment. Proficiency in Google Tool Suite, including Gmail, calendars, docs, sheets, and slides. Outstanding interpersonal and communication skills, plus high level of reliability, professionalism, and discretion. Strong service orientation, high energy, positive attitude, and proactive problem-solving skills. Excellent organizational, multitasking, and prioritization abilities with an acute attention to detail. Flexible, able to bring order to ambiguous situations and accommodate last-minute changes and requests in a fast-paced environment. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notified viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified. Leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.